What's up, guys? Today I got another package and something that I'm really happy to show you guys and do an unboxing. Excuse me for the box. It's pretty much taking up the whole real estate of the camera. I'm usually doing my reviews off of a Samsung S20 phone, and I actually need a little bit more space to do some of these reviews. But I got this camera, which is a GoPro. I got the GoPro 9, and I did the bundle with the subscription. So I want to show you what I got, and this is actually my first GoPro, and I'm excited to have it. And I want to show you guys everything I got in the box. I also ordered some accessories from Amazon to go with the GoPro, and I could do some more videos with that. So let's check this out. So this is a receipt, and yep, this is the receipt. I'm not really going to show that because it has my address. And let's see, this looks like the GoPro right here itself. I'm going to place that on the side, and I'm going to put everything back in the middle. This right here looks like a bag. This looks like the book bag that comes with the bundle that I got. So excuse me for this awful camera angle that I have right now. All right, let's take this box out of the way. So here we go. This is the GoPro 9, and it comes packaged in this clear plastic right here. And it looks like it has a case, like a zipper pouch right here that it comes with, and it's very well packaged. This is the front of it. This is the side showing the features, the back, and the side again. And this is the bottom right here. And these are the accessories that it comes with. So let's check it out. I'm gonna do some unboxing soon with this camera, see how it works. And guys, please support the channel. Subscribe, give me a like, comment down below. Let me know how cheesy this video came out. And we could go from there. I also respond back to comments as quick as I can, so feel free to say what's on your mind. So very nice case. It has a GoPro label right here, a zipper, a little lanyard right here. Let's open it up, and as soon as you open it up, you see that the camera is right there in front of you. It has a stick, which is like a walking stick, and you could place the camera right up here, and as you're walking, you basically maneuver it around as you go. This is a very nice accessory. It came with a magnetic clip, which this is it right here. Very nice. This is the magnet part You can see right there it has the magnet symbol. You can pretty much open it like this. It's a very strong clip, and it's gonna grab onto anything. You can put it on your hat. You can put it on your book bag, on your jacket, whatever you want to do with that. It also has 2 batteries in this bundle. These batteries look very tiny, but this is the GoPro 9, and they said that these are a little bigger compared to the last models. These are more accessories. These look like mounts that you can put on probably either this magnetic clip or this piece right here. And I'm gonna just put these close up so you can see how those look. Very nice. Everything has GoPro labeling on it. This is a cable. Okay. Probably to charge it or, you know, do a data transfer. Put that there. These are 2 screws so that you can mount the camera to whatever thing you want to mount it to. This looks like another mount also with an adhesive. Let's look at the top part before I take the camera. So right here is like a little sleeve, and it comes with a SanDisk Extreme 32 gigabyte micro SD card. Nothing in the back. Has some instructions. Subscribe to GoPro, and this looks like a manual. Pretty basic manual. A lot of stuff to read there. And now for the camera. So it has some type of cardboard insert, which basically separates all the accessories. Very nice. And the camera is right here. Let's take it out. There's nothing else underneath this piece that I see, unless it's hidden. So let me try to take that apart. See if there's anything there. And nope, there's nothing underneath that. So let's just click it back and put this piece back in here. And let me just clean up some of these things so I can show you the camera. Very nice camera. It has a front display right here. That's the rear display. They say this one is a lot thicker than the previous models. I don't have any older models to show you because this is actually my first GoPro, and I cannot wait to use it. So again, you get the camera, you get 2 batteries, you get a magnetic clip, you also get a walking wand. I believe that's what it's called. If I'm not mistaken, please let me know. This is another mount, and it has an adhesive. These are 2 other mounts that I don't know how they go, but I'm pretty sure they click into place with something. Very good. Came with 2 extra screws, and it has a cable. So these are all the things that came in this bundle. Now, apart from all these things, oh, and also the case. I'm sorry, let me just put this better into view. So you got all these things right here. You got that. Put the case right here so you can see it. And also you get the memory card. So apart from all of that, I also got a book bag that is very nice. It's fairly large, but I'm gonna try to put it in the camera, see if it comes out. Pretty big bag. It's a GoPro bag, as you can see the labeling right there. It's the Day Tripper backpack. Very nice. This is the label, and it's very good quality. It feels good. It's black with a little bit of gray. It has some mesh right here. It has a zipper right here. It's a very big bag to show. It has another mounts right here that it came with, and I see that this is where you pretty much put those other clips because it looks similar to the other ones that came in the box. This is like a sweat guard for your back. Very nice bag. Feels like very good quality. So I got that with the bundle, guys, and it's a good deal. I don't know if GoPro has that bundle anymore, but if they do, definitely pick it up. It comes with very good accessories. As you can see, I love all the accessories that it came with, and I'm gonna show you more stuff that I got in this same video. I'm just gonna put all these things away, and let's start with the manual. Let's put the camera back, and let's put this one back in here. Okay. It's amazing how they fit everything in this little carrying case. I would never think that all these things would fit so perfectly in here. Got the magnetic clip right there. Actually, I remember this goes right here, and I don't remember where this goes at, but oh boy. So let's see. That goes right there, and I think that fits good right there. Pretty much I have to figure out a way to put everything back, which doesn't look like the right way that it came. I'm just trying to figure out how this goes. And yep, I don't know how that goes, so we're gonna leave that alone, and I'm gonna put this. Actually, it does close, but it's not the right way. But I'm gonna put that there. And let's go to the next item that I got. And this is more accessories from GoPro. This one's actually a smaller box. And inside I got the suction cup, and I've also bought a dual battery charger plus battery. Nothing else in the box except for the receipt. So let's check this out. Definitely needed the suction cup, and also definitely needed the dual battery charger and the batteries. So see how the suction cup looks. Very nice packaging. It's the back. They say you could pretty much put this on a car and your camera won't fly off, hopefully. So let's see how you can open this up so you could take a look at it. And inside the box, I see already you get like a screw. Okay. Doesn't come out that easily. All right, here we go. So you're getting, where's this thing at? This is the suction cup right here. Do a little close-up of it. Looks very good quality, very strong materials. Plastic feels good, very robust. GoPro labeling right there. Also, there's like a little paper there, like a little lifetime warranty. I'm trying to figure out how you open this. Oh, here we go. So this comes apart right there, and you also have another piece. It looks like an arm that goes attached to this, maybe. And it looks like it does fit right here. So that's like an extendable arm for that mount. And oh, I pretty much broke that. And there's like another piece for the camera right here, another mount. And there's another one right here too. This looks like it swivels with this. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the suction cup and everything that it comes inside the box. So you have all these pieces right here and that little paper. Very nice. I'll show you guys battery charger. So this is the battery box, the front, the back. Comes with a battery, and okay, I'm sliding this out, and of course it has a manual. This is the little, oh, this is so tiny. Very nice. Very nice little dual charger. Tiny little thing. And this is the cable that it comes with. So let's put all these boxes away. And this is pretty much the dual charger. Very tiny little thing. It comes with an extra battery, and it comes with the cable. So this is good to have, if you want to be, having extra batteries on the go. You have some that are with you, you have some home charging, you pop them in, take them out, you got juice ready to go right away. So let's do another box that I have. Just bear with me. Now this is from Amazon, as you can see. You got the little Amazon smiley face right there. And let me see what this is. Bought some accessories for it. to have more options when I mount the camera on anything that I want to mount it to. So this thing is called Black Beetle. I don't know what the hell it is. I forgot what I ordered. So let's open it up, and it has a plastic case inside of it. And it's pretty much stuck in there. Okay. So this thing, I don't know what this is, but it looks very nice, like a little, oh, okay. It has wipes and microfiber cloths. And, oh, I know what this is. This is actually a screen protector. This is a cover for the lens, and inside is tempered screen protectors for the front and the rear display. I'm not going to take it all out, but this is what it is. Now I remember. Very, very nice. It has a nice little clear case to it. And this is by Black Beetle. You can get it on Amazon, and is basically to protect the camera. So this box right here, it says Symmetry, and this is a thumb screw, and pretty much comes with the thumb screws that are made out of aluminum, from what I remember. And these are higher quality. It has like a rubber ring there, and these are made out of aluminum. And that's how that looks. And it comes with a wrench, so you can unscrew it and tighten it. This is pretty much how it works. Fits perfectly like that, and it's from this company. I think it's called Symmetry. That's pretty much how I'm saying it. I think I'm saying it right. So it comes with two. And this other piece right here is a mount. Same materials, made out of aluminum. And you can pretty much put the camera right here, right in there, and you could put this aluminum screw, and it's just going to be held in better. So this is that piece. I'll do a close-up of it. And that's the thumb screw. So you can use this wrench if you want, or you can just use your fingers. And it looks like it has some knurling on the sides of it, and it has a lot of teeth, so you can pretty much grip it very well. So that is that package. And I have one more to open, which I'm going to show you right now. Very nice accessories. Get it on Amazon, guys. Very affordable. And this right here is my last package. And this is a case for the camera. I got on Amazon also. This is the name of the camera right here. It is Ulanzi. And right here it says silicone case for GoPro action camera G9-1. So this one's basically for the Hero 9, and it's just a regular rubber silicone case. You know, I don't want it to drop and get any scratches, so I was looking for a case and I ended up picking this one. I saw some reviews and it says that it's a very good case. So this is a lens cover for the GoPro, and this right here is the whole silicone case. Very soft. The label is right here, the company. Very nice. It has a little hole here and it protrudes, and I'm pretty sure this is for the lanyard that it came with. So you could put that right there and you could wrap it around your wrist and you won't lose your camera if you're holding it like this, in this type of fashion. It also has a microfiber little towel, so you could clean anything you want to clean the screen with it, and that's pretty much it. So those are all the accessories that I got for the GoPro 9, and I already showed you the GoPro and the bundle I got, and that's pretty much everything I have. So I'm gonna let you guys know how the camera is. I'm gonna do some videos with it. I'll probably do an unboxing of some other item that I have and see the difference. And that's pretty much it. I appreciate you guys watching. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you guys think of all the accessories that I got. And if you have any advice, let me know also in the comments down below. Have a good day.